We are limitless. We haven't even scratched the surface of our true potential, and we still haven't discovered the true heights that we can achieve. We think that the level of achievement which we have today, or the way we are going to grow incrementally, is the way we'll achieve success. But we can actually go for a breakthrough, breaking all limitations and reaching to staggering heights. It's possible, and it's very easily possible. Let me tell you why through this short story. When a baby elephant is trained, it is tied to a tree. And in that tree, when it's tied to the tree, it is shackled up. And no matter how hard that baby elephant tries, it cannot uproot that tree and it cannot move out. It tries and tries again and again, but eventually gives up and thinks, I'm not strong enough to get over this tree. And that's the kind of mindset that the baby elephant develops. Then the elephant grows, and when it reaches full adult size, it is easily capable of just pulling that whole tree off with one stroke. But that's what he won't do. He will instead behave like he did when he was a baby. He will not pull, he will not even try to be free. Why? Because in his mind, he thinks that no, this is all I can do. I cannot pull off this tree. Well, in all his strength, in all his potential, he can do that very easily. We as humans are shackled up in years of fears, self doubt, self neglect, self worry, and so many other negative thoughts and beliefs that we undermine our own potential. We don't realize that we have so much power inside of us, and we let it go unused, and we become like that elephant tied to the tree of fears, negative beliefs, negative emotions, and incremental small growth without ever pulling it off, without ever breaking free and going for a breakthrough. That's the kind of mindset we have. We are blinded to our own potential because we choose to listen to negative, self sabotaging thoughts, and then we limit our mindset and limit what our potential can be. Henry Ford said that if you think you can or you think you can't, you are right. And so, if you think that yes, you can break free of that shackle, you can break open, you can do that, you will very easily be able to do that. But if you think that no, you cannot break open from that shackle and that you are not potent enough, like that big elephant, you are not potent enough to get rid of this, you will not be able to get rid of this. In both cases, you are right. Now the question comes is, how do we realize this and how do we challenge ourselves to achieve more and more? Because I can tell you this, once you realize the true potential, the true power of your mind, the true power of yourself, you will be able to do so much more and achieve a lot of things. In nature, if one deer can do something, another deer can do the same thing. That power, that potential is inherent in every deer that does not have a physical disability or that does not have some other defect. Well, that also never limits. That also never creates a limit. That is also somewhat of a mindset level game. Because no matter if you have a physical disability or not, you can also achieve anything you want to. So let's just get back to the deer example. Every deer, each and every each and every deer that is there in that species has the same capability as some other deer. Whether that deer is in America, whether that deer is in Europe, or that deer is in India. All deers have the same capabilities, the same potential that is inherent in them. And in the same way, all of us humans, whether we have a physical disability or not, whether we are limited by some other factor or not, all of us have same potential. So if one person like Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Jeff Bezos, and various great athletes like Usain Bolt, PV Sindhu, Arunima Sinha can do so many great things in their lives, you can too. You too have that potential, because that's the order of nature. That is how things work. If one human being has some kind of potential, the other human being does too. But it is just that what you choose. Whether you choose to remain shackled up near the tree of your negative emotions and negative fears, or you choose to break free from them, go ahead with full confidence and full self belief and make it big in this world. I know you want to choose the second option. And now the question comes is, how can I choose that second option? How can I break free from this tree? How can I break free from this mindset when all my life I have believed that only? It's simple. If an elephant is not able to break free and just thinks that no, I cannot do this, he will never be able to do it. But if he is able to see some other elephant that is doing that in front of him, that has broken that shackle, the mindset will change. A new idea will click in that elephant's mind and he'll think, oh my god, if he can do that, I can do that too. And that time the elephant will be able to break off from that area, from that tree. And we humans also do the same thing. When we see that one person can achieve something, other persons can also do that. That's how nature works. So, if one person, any successful person you admire can do something, and there are many great examples. Just read up some biographies, watch some videos, watch some podcasts, interviews, and you will be able to find those people right away. It's very easy. All those examples are right in front of your eyes. So you actually have all that you need to break through. You have an example in front of you, and you even know exactly how that person did it, through their books, through their videos, through their podcasts, whatever it is. So you have an example in front of you. We all have that example in front of us at all times. But the problem is that when the elephant sees it, it breaks off. It knows that I can do it too. But we humans see that all the time. The only thing is that we choose to remain shackled up to the tree, and we ignore this. We ignore the potential that we are literally able to see in front of us. It is like we are in broad daylight, but we are saying like, no, it's darkness and I cannot see. The ability to see or not see is with you. If you choose to see, if you choose to get into the light, if you choose to abandon the darkness and see how you can break free from the shackle of your negative beliefs, you will go to a life that is great, that is fulfilling, that is abundant, and that is an easy one to live. Currently, you're limited and you're shackled up to negative beliefs, and they are creating a negative mindset. They are making you unhappy. They are making you feeling unfulfilled. They are creating stress, anxiety, depression in your life. And on the other hand, you have so many great opportunities. You have a lot of abundance. You have a lot of joy, a lot of happiness, but you're ignoring that in broad daylight. Do you want that? Do you want to continue doing that? No. That is why you need to see. You need to stop being ignorant and you need to start seeing. And once you start seeing, that is simply you learn how other people do things. You get inspired by other people's success, and when you believe that you too have that potential and that potential is inherent in you, you'll be able to find your passion, you'll be able to find your purpose, you'll be able to start acting on it as soon as possible, and you will be able to break free from the shackles of your negative beliefs and lead an abundant, happy and easy life. You'll go for a breakthrough, and that breakthrough will be well worth it. But that breakthrough will also come at a cost. All your years of negative beliefs and negative thoughts are accumulated together that you're tied up to. And breaking off of them will feel uncomfortable, will feel unsafe. But you need to take that, you need to embrace that, and you need to challenge yourself to achieve more. And by realizing your potential, by understanding that the potential is inherent in you, you have that potential right away and it is at your disposal to use, but you haven't even scratched the surface of it, you start believing that no matter what happens, I can make it. And when you have this attitude, you'll be able to challenge yourself to do more. You'll embrace discomfort, you'll embrace risk, and that is what will lead to your success and your growth. So this journey of seeking a breakthrough and of breaking free and living a life of freedom, happiness, joy, success is an easy one, is a simple one. but it is not but it is not comfortable, and it is not safe. You will have to take risk. You'll have to put in the little effort to break free from that tree. You'll have to pull until you break free, and that will be the point of the change in your life. So keep this in mind. Keep this idea in mind, and you will start realizing your potential. You'll go deeper into your potential, you'll dig up more of it, and you will shine bright like a star and become an inspiration to many others around the world, and lead a successful, happy, and fulfilled life in which your achievements are extraordinary and staggering. So, what I want you to do now is comment below and write, I am living up to my fullest potential. This is the first affirmation you need to use. This affirmation will open up your eyes to the potential around you. They'll let you see the light instead of seeing the darkness. So, do this first. Understand this affirmation and write it down in the comment box, and that will be your first step. And also do subscribe to this channel, because every day I am giving you new content from my understanding, my experiences, that adds more positivity to your life, and that will help you on your journey to realizing your potential. Because there will be challenges, there will be difficulties, but once you do that, once you challenge yourself to achieve more, you will be able to do much more and live a very happy life. So subscribe for that, and also like this video because it helps me grow and it helps you grow too, and share it with as many people as possible, so that more and more of us keep inspiring the world and we break free from the shackles of our negative beliefs.